Hello guys, today we are making a fondant ladybug. For that we need red, black and white fondant. First we will shape the red one in an oval and we will press the edges to give it a flat appearance and we'll smooth the edges with the help of our hands. Then we will cut it a little bit, less than half of it. With the help of a knife we cut it and then we will again smooth the edges of it to make it smooth, and then we will take a knife and we will make a line in the center so that it gives the appearance of two divisions on the back side of the ladybug. Now we will put black dots with the help of fondant on it, like the design in the ladybug we see. We take black fondant and then we just make the balls and press them in the fondant so they will be like beetle looking and ladybug looking. Just roll the fondant in your hands and press it over it. Then we will take the black fondant and make the head of the beetle, and we will also cut it from the center. Just give it a line, and then we will put the eyes. First we will put the white one, then we will put black inside it. White part would be a little bigger circles, and then we will put black fondant small dots inside it. So you can see we just put little bit inside the eyes. Now we will make the legs of the beetle. For that we will roll the fondant in our hands and then we will just give it a twist. You will see now. Then we just rolled it in our hands and twisted it, and then we made 6 legs of it, and then we will put the beetle on top and the ladybug topper is ready to put on the cake. I hope you enjoy today's tutorial. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.